This is Geogebra Geometry, dynamic geometry drawing tool. So hopefully it's been installed on your computers. So just open it and you should get a screen something like this. Just pause the video whenever you need to. Right, so we're going to look at the first thing, the angle, sum and a triangle. So to draw any triangle, we're going to use our basic tools here. You'll notice that as you hover over, you get some information about what it is. So interval between 2 points is a line segment that we can see. Down the bottom of the screen, there's more help in terms of what to do. Okay, so we're going to draw a triangle, click and drag, and we've drawn our triangle. Now, the angle sum in a triangle requires us to measure some angles. So now press the More button, and we get more of our tools. This is the Tools menu, and we're getting more tools that we have. Crucial one here is Measure Angle. Clicking on Angle tells us to select 3 points or 2 lines. Let's see how we go. Just click 1, 2, 3 points. The angle is displayed. Repeat for the other angles. 1, 2, 3 points. Those measures there. 1, 2, 3. And we've got those angles. Now we can obviously write that down, add them up using a calculator or something of that nature. It's going to take us quite some time. Right. So, and what we want to do is be able to play and say, well, as we draw any triangle, and we can drag the points around, what happens to the sum of those 3 angles? Hopefully you already know, but just bear with us for the purpose of this one. So we've drawn our basic diagram, and now I want to do the sum of the angles. So to do that, I have to change to this page here, which is the steps. And I can see here 62.5, that's that angle there. That was the first angle I measured. The second one is called beta, Greek letter, 72.2. The third one, gamma, 45.3. So I'm just going to click here on into this input cell. And what I want to do is add those 3 angles together. So just using this keyboard, alpha plus beta plus gamma, I think it's that one, and enter. And what did we find? The sum is 180 degrees, as we would expect. And we have now got our first little diagram. So let's explore what happens when we drag the points around. The 3 angles change, the sum of the angles doesn't change. It stays at 180 degrees. So no matter what we have, we know that. And that is our first introduction. While we're here, if you want to see what happens with the steps, down here you can actually play the steps again. So I'm just going to try this one, see what happens. Nothing. Okay, we'll go back to the beginning. And now we'll go through and play. We can play it one step at a time, but I'm going to play the whole lot. No, let's just go through the whole lot. Go one step at a time. We drew that. And we can see what else is happening here. And that was what the construction that we made. Thank you. That's the first one.